Welcome to this deep dive. Today, we're tackling the world of financial market trading. Think stocks, Forex, cryptocurrencies.
Yeah, a whole lot.
And we're using your input, this really interesting collection of, trading insights, tips, strategies as our launch pad. Our mission today. Pretty simple, really. We want to pull out the key knowledge you need to navigate this landscape. It can seem complex, right?
Definitely.
So whether you're just curious or maybe looking to sharpen your understanding, we want to give you a clearer picture of what's really important here.
Exactly. Think of this as like a shortcut. Getting to the core of trading. We'll hit the key strategies, sure, but also, maybe just as importantly, the common mistakes people make.
Right, the pitfalls.
Yeah. The aim isn't, to make you a pro overnight,
Right.
but more to give you a solid framework, a way to approach the markets with, well, a bit more clarity.
Okay, sounds good. So let's unpack the real basic question first. What is trading in these markets? We kind of know it's buying and selling, but what's really going on?
Well, at its heart, you're right. It's buying and selling assets. But the real driver is trying to profit from price changes, price fluctuations.
Okay.
You're basically taking a view, right? Forming an opinion. Will this thing go up or will it go down? And then you position yourself to hopefully profit if you guessed right. And what's interesting, like you said, is the variety. Stocks, currencies, crypto,
Yeah.
and how many different ways people actually approach it.
Which, brings us perfectly to trading styles. The material you shared mentions a few different ways people do this. Why does that even matter? Isn't the goal just, make money?
That's a really good question. And understanding styles isn't just theory. It's very practical. It's about finding a method that actually fits your life.
How so?
Well, think about it. How much time do you have? What's your personality like? What are your financial goals even? Someone who can sit glued to a screen all day. That's totally different from someone with a 9-to-5 job, right?
Yeah. Okay, that makes perfect sense. So let's get specific. First one, day trading. Sounds fast, like in the movies.
Yeah.
What's the reality?
It can definitely be intense. Day trading means making lots of trades within one single day. Usually you're flat, no open positions by the end of the day.
Right.
The goal is to grab tiny price movements, little scalps throughout the day, and hope those small wins add up. But, like the sources say, it takes a lot of time. Plus, quick decisions, you'd be sharp. You absolutely need a solid strategy. Something tested. You're basically jumping in and out constantly.
Wow. Nerves of steel required, I imagine. And a lot of coffee.
Probably, yeah.
Okay, then there's swing trading. How's that different?
Swing trading.
Yeah.
It zooms out a bit. Instead of minute by minute, you're holding positions for, say, a few days, maybe even a few weeks sometimes.
Okay.
The idea here is to catch bigger price moves, those expected swings. That's what the name